Hey guys, welcome in Mastering Angular 15 from Beginners to Advanced course. In today's lecture, we will talk about data binding in Angular. Then we have two types of data bindings, one-way data binding and two-way data binding. First, let's explore one-way data binding. In one-way data binding, data flows in a single direction from the component's data to the view or from the view to the component. In Angular, one-way data binding can be achieved using interpolation. To understand one-way data binding, we use this title, which we have already written in this app component class, and title is equal to hello world. But before doing anything, we need to use ngserve ---- open so that we can detect every change on front end. As you can see, we are using this title in its HTML file. Title is running and it display on the front end as it is. Hello world is running. To test the one-way binding, now I'm going to change this title from hello world to hello world one-way binding. So this changes reflects on the front end too. So this was the one-way data binding. And one-way data binding is unidirectional. You can only bind the data from component to the view or from view to the component. Next we have two-way data binding. Two-way data binding is a process where data flows in both directions between the component's data and the view. In Angular, two-way data binding can be achieved using the ng model directive. For implementing two-way data binding, first we need to go to the app.module.ts and we need to include forms module in imports, and after including this module we again need to go to the app.component.html and here I'm going to write the input, and in input we need to write the ng model and it's equal to title, and this is the way we are implement two-way binding. Now anything I type in title from front end, it will be printed there in title is running in our h3 tag. And one more thing I think I need to add here, change title. And now let's test it on front end, and it's showing us the title, and I'm going to change it from our front end input bar so it show the change on runtime, and this is called the two-way binding in Angular. Anything we entered in the input box, it just bounded with the text below. In two-way binding, the automatic data synchronization happens between the model and the view and keeping both the values synced all the time. And these are the two data bindings Angular 15 offering us. Hope you understand it. If you have any question or query, you can ask in comments. And if this lecture is helpful for you, then guys, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.